It's a 2007 Honda Ridgeline. It's where tough and intelligent merge, providing a ride that's so smooth you'll think the world's flat. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, dual zone climate control, power windows, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds the ride is comfortably quiet. Rubber isolates front and rear subframes to help keep road harshness out of the cabin. Lightweight, noise-absorbing materials are used for the dashboard insulation, carpet, and behind the rear seats. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.